London's finest beckons you to live like a true Londoner. Introducing the Lincoln's Inn Collection, a stay which is sure to redefine your perception of perfection. Take your pick from a selection of stunning shared apartments, each of which open up to a snug bed, comfy chairs, and a work desk. What's more, weekly housekeeping ensures you get time to chase academic excellence. Plus, cook delectable meals with pals in the fully equipped kitchen, or rejuvenate in the well-tended outdoor spaces after retiring at the university. Speaking of location, Queen Mary University, Lincoln Inn Fields campus, and BPP University London, Holborn are both a minute's stroll away. On weekends, embrace history at Sir John Soane's Museum or bask in lap of nature at Red Lion Square Gardens, both of which are hop, skip, and jump away. Or savor different cuisines at some of the best joints in the city, such as Margot, ROK Aldwych, and Sushi Samba Covent Garden. Also cutting on commute expenses is the new Cool, owing to the close proximity of bus stops and subway stations. Ticks all your boxes. Then head straight to amberstudent.com and book your unparalleled stay at the Lincoln's Inn Collection. Your ticket to a life of ultimate luxury.